Hello everyone, welcome to this short tutorial about the Google Classrooms created by the Centro Cultural Colombo Americano. First of all, you will receive a Colombo Gmail account as well as a provisional password from your teacher. The first step that you have to do is open your Colombo account. Then you have to check your inbox and you will receive an email called class invitation. Click there, you will find your name as well as your Google Classroom according to your teen or advanced level. It's very important that you click on the option Join. Then it'll open a new tab in your browser, like Google Classroom, and you will find your classroom according to your level. It's very important that you click again in Join, and then you will find your Google Classroom. Example. As you can see, we have three different sections: Stream, Classwork, People. Stream basically is the area where the teacher will post comments to all of you. In Classwork, you will find the different classes as well the activities in each class. Like this one, the virtual class number, unit number, and the name. In this area, you will find the different activities and material for your class. If you want to see the information in your activities, just click there. You will find the instructions, the activity. If you want a full view, click on View Assignment. And he shows all the information. Here is the name of the activity. This part is very important because it's the deadline. Deadline basically means that is the last day that you have to submit your activity in Google Classroom. Here you will find the instructions. An important note, take into account the deadline. If you are in Team 1, 2, 3, 4, you will also find the Spanish version. Okay? And this is the activity. On the right side, you will find your work. And this instruction marked as done. So let me explain something here. Let's check the activity in this example. The activity. Click on the activity, okay. Then you see match the flags with the correct countries, the character with the correct nationalities, answer the question. Okay, let's open the activity. Basically, yes. The flag with the country. So let's see that this one, the second one, let's see that this one is France. Of course, the student here has to complete all the activity. This one is just for example. Character nationality with this character, let's see that is Italian. And nationality. Okay, let's try Colombian. And if you don't remember, the next step, go back to the classroom. Okay, answer the question, what's your nationality? Ready. When you finish, click on Terminado, comprobar mis respuestas. Terminado, comprobar mis respuestas. You then scroll up, you will find the score. Let's see here the next step. Take a picture of your work and send it, okay? In my case, previously what I did, I took a picture with my cell phone, then I sent it to a friend, a closer friend, or to my mother or my father by WhatsApp. I opened WhatsApp web in a new tab here, and then I download the picture on my desktop, okay? Let's go back to the Google Classroom. Take a picture of your work and send it, okay? Because previously I did the homework, I click on Add or Create. In this case, it's a file because it's a photo. He said drag file, so I will open a file on my desktop. And you can find here, this is my work, I just drop there. So he shows here, I click on upload. This is the process. And if you notice, he shows mark as done. But then he changed turn in, like the instruction, turn in. Click there, click one more time, and you submit your activity. It's very important that you read the instructions in your activities because depending on the level and the activity, the instructions could be totally different. Just to finish with this tutorial, it's very important also that if you want to write to your teacher, only to your teacher, a comment, you use this one, private comments. For example, in my case, and the student Brenda, I say, hello teacher, and she answered, hi Brenda. This information is only for the teacher and me. But if you want to write a comment that not only the teacher but all your classmates can see, you use this one, class comments, in this area. Okay? Remember that you can watch this video as many times as you want. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.